Hi guys, welcome to my channel in the series of Linux for DevOps. So this is our third tutorial in regards to shell script. So in this tutorial we are going to use if-else statement. So in the last statement we have used if statement. So now we would be going ahead with if-else statement, and we will see a live example of how we can use this statement, what would be the correct indentation and what would be the current coding style for writing the if-else statement. Okay, so before we move ahead with the same, let's first go through the if else statement expression indentation. So over here in if condition you have to give the expression that what you want to compare or what operations you want to perform. Then after that you can print the statement, or you can use any action that you want to mention over here in the statement section. Then we will use else section. In else section we can define another statement which would run when if condition is not met. So if expression is not true, then it will go to else. So if expression is true, it will go to if statement, that is a statement 1. So let's go ahead and see this in the terminal. So let's create a new shell script named if else underscore statement dot sh function insert. So let's use shebang. Shebang slash hash. Okay, now we will print a message for the user to provide two numbers. Please provide two numbers for comparison. So we will take two input and we will save the input in two variables, num1 and num2. Now from here we are going to start our if else statement, that is the expression statement. So what we are going to do, first we are going to compare the two numbers. So if the two numbers are equal, we will print a message provided numbers are equal. If it is not, it should print a message provided numbers are not equal. So let's start. If space, make sure you use the correct spacing. So over here if you see, if space, before expression there is space, after expression there is space, everywhere you have to make sure that you are using the right indentation, like for statement 1 and statement 2. Otherwise it will give you an error, as we saw in our last tutorial, where I displayed if we are not giving the space in front of expression and at the end of expression, it gives an error saying that there is a error on this if line. Okay, so let's proceed. If space bracket again space, then we are going to use dollar to use our input value over here for comparison, and dollar num2 again space. Now I will go to, I will write over here then echo in echo. So if the numbers are equal, we will print a message provided numbers are equal. Now so this is the if statement. So if the numbers are equal, we are going to provide a message that provided numbers are equal. Now if the numbers are not equal, it should enter the else loop, else. So in else we would be printing a message else provided numbers are not equal, and we will end our expression loop over here. Okay, let's save the file. Now as the new file, chmod provide execute permission to if else script that we have created. Let's run the script now. So I will provide two same numbers. We got the message provided numbers are equal. Now I will run again. Now I will provide 2 and 3. So as you can see, so the loop that we have used over here, the if else. So in this, if the provided numbers are equal, it will give you this. Else it will go in the else loop and provide you the message that we have printed in the else section. So guys, thank you for watching the tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we would be looking into if else statement. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.